So the 15th of September, after the 15th they can run the whole beach. Not that long now, will it? That'll be next weekend, is it? Dogs are allowed off the grass, allowed off the lead on this grass. They have to be on the lead in the promenade, but they go off the lead in the grass. But the dog warden can ask you to put them on the lead. So that means days like today, they're going to tell you to put her on the lead. That wee ambulance not here now. Somebody that'll be a wee capper for him there, boys. Oh, let it on the scrounge, let it on the scrounge. Look at this stout. I'm going for these stars pet. I don't know why they start off here. I might look at this video in 20 years time and send them out flashing cars there. Still the out, no, still the out. People are all sitting out here at the picnic tables. Oh, good sale. If the sun was shone today, that man wouldn't have made no money. Oh, selling piles of stuff today, boys.
Would you look at that? Would you look at that? The wee dog has the matching coat to die. Isn't that gorgeous? Lovely wee hairy beast.
Oh, if they called you a hairy
nice
beast, then I'll tell you.
The wee cuddly beard. And then the wee dog as well.
Tell me that wee dog, eh? Look like that. That'd be one there to talk about. Oh. Going to have a head ripped up. The hair's going ripped up. Lots of puppies here, boys. First Northern Ireland Battalion. That boy there could get beat up by a puppy, eh, really? Like it's a tree. Well, that there, boy, look. Wee camouflage one. Why don't you ever get a camouflage one? I think why I'm homeless, eh? Camouflage bug? Never seen a camouflage one before.
Turn us off. Do I turn us off?
Are they dying?
Yeah.
Well, I'll come here for first aid, will I? This is a hot. Take a job, like.
Yeah.
See, I'll tell you what they teach these young ones nowadays. I've got the old bonnet to catch here, boys. They don't make them like that no more, do they? Huh? Nowadays you need a haze manual to know how to lift your car bonnet up.
Your heart, I think you just, do you know what it's supposed to take anything, you know what I mean? And you just put it on
Here's a wee interesting fact here.
That's quite scary. There has to be logical reasons for everything, I suppose. It is quite scary.
You see the wounds in that dummy there? For army medical ones to learn how to look after the wounded like that, they use live pigs, and they shoot the live pigs with bullets, and they shoot them with shotgun rounds, and they have to then patch them up, and after they patch them up they put the pigs down, because you don't get humans coming in to catch it they get normally, and that's how you have to train them. They don't do it here in Northern Ireland, they go to England for the training.
They don't want to lose contact with us because that's my details, that's my phone number. There you get out.
Your job in the army, Lila, eh? You can find any food, starve the enemy.
It's just like you have your own picture of them, it's not off the rails, but they use Ukraine.
The weird thing is, they've delayed us airshow by 3 hours, and all these traders here is going to do extra trade now. It's actually good for them. I don't know about the amusements up above right now, the rain lashes down, but all the other wee stalls are doing more of trade. They're climbing wall there, not put up us too one day. They want these boys to go and defend us from the Russians, like we don't even put up a climbing wall. A wee bit of one. Lola keeps putting the brakes on, that's why my camera's all over the place. Oh no, no, no. No, the side bit to be hard up this way. Diesel fuel? Why buy truck for what diesel carries in this? What the size of the truck for what you take a million miles a gallon a tank does. Not a lot of fuel on it. Some of them lorries look really old there, boys. You think that could be Second World War there? any step in the bumper. What the idea of that is, only? No entry. Portable water only. Fire extinguisher on it. It looks well kept. It just looks old. Maybe it's not old. Because you look at the paint and all, like, pretty decent, like. It's all algae because it's been lying around, not moving, like. Like, how many times do you use water flowers here? You think them boys would have cleaned that, wouldn't you, before they brought it out today? The thing's shining that loud, the wee padlock. Look at the wee padlock. They must have just bought that brand new for the show here. I don't think it's a new one. The new one was lost. So you can get inside the cab as well. My Wayne's not in the cab. Oh no, that. We're near the end of the segment now, but do your normal walk around Portrush, isn't it? A big stage there, but not much happening on it. Now bear in mind the show should have started now, there's probably nothing lined up to go on the stage. Oh, here's shells down here, boys, shells. What, they're selling them? Door stoppers and stuff, do you see us?
They're different brands. Ball openers, key rings.
Battery went done there, that's the one I'm selling the shells on there. The big shells look like the plastic tops on them. The wee ones are the real brass tops. So we're going to make our way out here now past these couple of wee stalls there. Very caravan there, boys. Take the water, little. Oh, I need pencils. You can't touch it. I think that's us down, isn't it? We'll pass these couple now and we'll make our way out. Then I want to walk around Portrush. I don't know why nobody's getting on the jet, like. It's been made to let people on it. Nobody on it.
Hit you on your toes anyway.
Oh, you're right. What else are these ones?
It's infectious. Infectious.
Make a move.
Did not
so it was lovely. I found it suntan.
I'll try it with here, Lena. That big marquee one was in the marquee, probably food. It's hard to know. Only a long way on to go down, Lena. A wee food market, no point taking Luna in there, we'll never get it out. We'll never get you out of there, Luna. All food. Mum must start heading out for a walk, Luna. Them toilets there, bolt onto a shipping container. There's cars parked everywhere down here. I've never seen cars parking on the grass there. You see motorbikes on the Northwest 200, but I've never seen cars. You just can't drive across the bit of grass. You've the right bit of driving to get to here. The only entrance they can come on is maybe the footpaths. But like as everything else, once one driver comes on, they all follow, don't they? Well, Luna. So that's coming here, let Luna off the lead, like, but this could be in it. No, but sniffies. A skateboard ramp over there. Not obviously a skateboard ramp, Luna. Not a skateboard ramp. I don't. In the process of building one here, or it's just been dumped here. A wee post, a wee banner on it. Must be making a wee skate park. See, they had the skate park down at the old railway station. Them things are sort of portable, because maybe they're told to shift the stuff out, maybe. That's brand new sheets of plywood there, they must be building with. Tell you what, see how plywood you buy nowadays? Shite, so it is. It'll be delaminating in no time. Skate park under construction. A skate park out here, boys. Don't want to get them out of the town centre. There you are. Even the Korean council's parking up here in the grass. Full parked everywhere now. I would need to go as far as to say there's nearly more parked here than other than Northwest 200. But I would say a lot of us to do too. There's not much to do this time of year. And it's free. In all fairness, the Northwest 200's a much better day than the Airshow. But maybe more farmers are coming today with wains and stuff than the Airshow. The Airshow's sort of got a reputation of drinks and drunks. I've never seen cars parked in this field before. After the stones. No chance of stones, better. After the stones. International Airshow this way, so they must be, the council must be organising all this parking on the grass. So they must be diverting cars down this way now and follow this place up. But the weird thing is, this is all free here, why anybody got to the proper car parks has to pay.
Just follow you around up there and just park the same way down here.
The thing I don't understand here, cars are still arriving. And yet the Airshow's late. The Airshow's supposed to have started over an hour ago. No, you want refreshments? Oh, I need refreshments. There we go now, Luna. Oh, nice and fresh. Nice and fresh. Look at that. That nice. You want a wee taste? Another wee taste before we go. Ah, you take another wee taste, come on. No. I'll give it to the wee weeds. The wee weeds are gasping for a wee drink. I don't know if there's going to be any air show on today or not. That weather's got worse. You can't hardly see the skies over there. The muzzle's that low now, like. You wouldn't even see a kite flying in the sky. Jonah says, I don't care the planes fly. Well, I want to play over here in these rocks and then we'll go to the beach. Even the seagulls are not flying today. There's something on the ground. Luna has run across them rocks there and wants me to follow it. Luna, come on this way! Come on! Luna! Come on! Come on over this way! I can't climb them! Luna's wee paws are like Velcro. I was getting distracted. Come on! Out again! I can't cross that pit. I'm elderly. Come on right this way. We'll have to walk around the long way. It's 18 minutes past 2 now. I am soaked through. There's dry trousers, wet trousers. Crag hopper, I was right, I'm sorry if I stopped raining. Still pussy down that direction. See how thick it's. We're starting to clear up clear-ish. There's still a bit of rain over that way. So maybe by 3 o'clock, maybe it will be clear up for the odd plane to come in. I don't know. Like 10 minutes ago it was pussing the rain real bad, like. Oh, so I'll give up here, boys. And look, 10 minutes makes a big difference. I reckon another 15 minutes it could actually start getting a bit brighter. This must be left from the fireworks display here. They always have a fire display up in Ramore Head. It probably was World Health and Safety fall overboard, like, I don't know. It's getting a lot clearer now, but still very stormy. With any luck, they cancelled the wing walkers and all them ones and just bring in the tornado. Let the tornado do a couple of extra runs. Sligo Search and Rescue Helicopter. They flew over the start. I thought, well, it can't be part of the air show. They're probably going to Giant's Causeway. Somebody's fell off. That's the start of the air show there, boys. I doubt there'll be nothing else coming today. The rain is still miserly. What was it about this air show, didn't it? All I need in an air show is just for something to hover. If that helicopter hovered, you'd be more impressed than you would have flying doing a loop of it. But that rain's still on. I can't see nothing else coming in it. I say that helicopter's supposed to be at the end of the show. Ramore Head's all closed off. Not fireworks. The staff boys got up to look at the aircraft, falling off. I don't think that's part of the air display. I think there actually is somebody's fell off there. And they're doing a real rescue. Oh, they're not. So I might not see an air show today, but we'll see a rescue taking place.